Satnam, everyone. I like to welcome you back for new Kundalini classes in Tokyo, and on October 3rd we're going to kick off with the practice of a morning Sadhana. And why do I think Sadhana is so important for one's well-being? Well, forcing yourself to get up in the morning and to honor your body can lead you to success. And I'm saying this because I just recently released my raw vegan recipe book, and I believe I would not have been able to go through with that project if I didn't practice sitting in silence, practice getting up and really focusing on my project. And the practice of Kundalini Yoga enables you to commit to a project, to commit to your mind's desire, to your heart's desire. The practice of Kundalini Yoga will actually give you that little smile while you're practicing, and you beat your inner ego. It will help you to twist around things that you thought were obstacles, or maybe change situation that you believe they were lost. So I'm truly encouraging you to stop by. So there is no experience needed. I will guide you whatever state you are in, even if you maybe have never experienced yoga, any yoga. Please come and just experience how it feels to breathe deeply, to connect your breath to your kriya, and there is no wrong or right. As a student, I want you to feel comfortable, and I want you to really connect to yourself. One question I like to answer: why are we wearing white in Kundalini Yoga? Ideally, the color white helps you to expand your aura, and only if you practice for a very long time, and maybe if you have practiced lots of different sorts of yoga, you maybe feel. I know often the color white, or maybe a bunch of white people, is referred to a bunch of crazy people. And well, maybe we are crazy, but I truly feel wearing white and also wearing a head cover helps you to go into my inner shell, helps me to be slightly disconnected from the outside world whilst I'm practicing. And the beauty about Kundalini Yoga is that your eyes are almost closed. So the aim is to focus the tip of your nose, meaning you are not looking around. So it's just you beautiful you, yourself, and your practice. But if you don't feel confident enough, because it takes a lot of confidence to actually walk out all in white, then just come how you feel. You don't need to disguise to belong. So I really hope to see you soon. So we gotta have October 3rd at the Asa Pacific Center at 10 a.m. until 12 noon. But if you need to leave at 11:30, you're more than welcome to do so, because the last 20 minutes we generally spending sitting in meditation. And if this doesn't suit your schedule, because I know people in Tokyo are super busy, you're more than welcome to leave after 90 minutes. And if you like to connect to others, you're more than welcome to join our lunch. And otherwise, just take step by step. There is no force, there's no pressure, there is nothing to be achieved. It is you and your practice, okay? I'm very excited. It took me a great deal of concentration and patience, and yes, I was angry in between, but I did it. My book is out, and yeah, it is for everyone. It is not only for people that love the raw vegan kitchen or for vegans. It is really an inspiration for you to go back to the roots, to go back to the source, what our grandmothers and mothers did, making food plant-based trying to avoid processed foods. I'm only human being, and of course sometimes if life is really hectic, and especially if your kids request other things, of course sometimes you add what's on the shelf, but our main desire should be in creating healthy little dishes and combine them with whatever we love. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it here. I'm just very happy for myself, and I think that's something I really have to thank the practice of Kundalini again. And in the past over 20 years, over 24 years, I honestly can say the practice of Kundalini has changed my life. It has changed the way I'm thinking, has changed the way I'm looking at people, the way I'm judging or not judging people, and it has created that permanent smile on my face. Okay, so I hope to see you soon. Sadhana, and have a beautiful